In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print archived W-2 in QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your archived W-2s and how to print them cleanly from a PDF. I'll keep it straightforward and add tips to help you avoid common snags. Quick note before we start, you'll need QuickBooks Online with payroll and the right permissions to view payroll tax forms. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online for the company you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one. On the left navigation panel, select Taxes. This takes you to the Tax Center where QuickBooks groups your payroll filings and forms. If you don't see the Taxes option, verify your user role and that payroll is active for this company. Next, inside the Taxes area, open the Payroll Tax tab. From there, choose either Filings or Tax Forms depending on how your layout appears. Different subscriptions may label this slightly differently, but both options lead you to the same filing history where archived documents are stored. Now scroll until you see Archived Forms or Filed Forms. This is where QuickBooks keeps finalized and previously filed documents for easy access. Look for W-2 copies A and D, which are the employer copies. Then select the tax year you need. Take a moment to confirm the year matches the wages you intend to reference, especially if you're handling multiple years. If there's a filter, set it to the correct year so the form appears. Open the archived W-2 by clicking View. The form should open in a PDF, usually in a new browser tab or window. If nothing opens, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for QuickBooks. Let the PDF fully load before proceeding so all pages render clearly. To print, click the printer icon in the PDF viewer. This sends the document straight to your selected printer. If your browser's PDF tools are limited or you prefer more control, click Download, save the file to a secure location, then open it in your preferred PDF application and print from there. For the cleanest results, verify the scale is set to actual size or 100%, so boxes and text align properly. If your printer defaults to shrink or fit, review the preview to avoid clipping. Turn off double-sided printing for government forms unless specifically allowed. If the file contains multiple employees, select the page range you need. Finally, store the printed and digital copies securely since W-2s include sensitive information. And that's all it takes to print an archived W-2 in QuickBooks Online.